Damay na daw kaya si Liza Soberano sa problema ni James Reid at nang di umano'y karelasyon nito na dating business partner ni James na si Jeffrey O. Si Jeffrey O ang naging business partner ni James sa Careless Management Group na nagmanage noon kay Liza, kung saan inamin ni James na may hinahabol silang pera dito. My legal team is still trying to get in touch to resolve a lot of issues. But honestly, I don't even care. I'm just happy he's gone. Pahayag ni James sa interview last December. I wouldn't say exactly a scam. It's more complicated than that. But yeah, it's more complicated than that. Sagot niya kung nascam ba siya. Walang binanggit na amount si James that time pero di umano'y mahigit 100 million pesos ang nawala sa aktor. Nabanggit niya noon na nanatili rin daw silang magkaibigan ni Liza. You know, there's no bad blood or anything. It's amazing what she's doing. You know, maybe pushing for her dreams in Hollywood. Anyway, pinag-usapan lang ito ng ibang netizens dahil nag-unfollow na si Liza kina James at Isa Pressman. Pero nanatili namang nakafollow ang magkarelasyon kay Liza. Base sa post ni Liza, kasalukuyan siyang nasa Manila ngayon.